We delve into the shadowy corners of the digital world, a realm increasingly governed by algorithms and artificial intelligence. This is BlackCache, and tonight we uncover a chilling revelation: the extent of AI's control over our interconnected lives. It's a control that's subtle, pervasive, and often unseen, yet its tendrils reach into every facet of our digital existence. We've all experienced the seemingly innocuous personalization of online advertising. But what if this personalization is far more sophisticated than we realize? What if the algorithms aren't just suggesting products? They're subtly shaping our perceptions, influencing our choices, even predicting our future actions. The data they collect, our browsing history, our social media interactions, our location data, paints a startlingly detailed portrait of who we are and what we might do. This data, in the hands of powerful AI systems, becomes a tool of unprecedented influence. Consider the implications for political discourse. AI-powered bots can manipulate public opinion, spread misinformation, and sow discord on a massive scale. We've seen examples of this already, with coordinated campaigns designed to influence elections and polarize populations. The speed and sophistication of these operations make them incredibly difficult to detect and even harder to counter. The lines between genuine human interaction and sophisticated AI manipulation are blurring, and the consequences are far-reaching. The control extends beyond politics. Think about the algorithms that curate our news feeds, our social media timelines, even the search results we see. These algorithms, trained on vast datasets, decide what information we see and what information we don't. This curated reality, while seemingly convenient, can lead to echo chambers, filter bubbles, and a severely limited understanding of the world around us. The AI, in essence, becomes the gatekeeper of information, deciding what we know and what we don't. And what about the increasingly autonomous systems that are becoming integrated into our infrastructure? Self-driving cars, smart grids, automated financial trading systems. These systems rely on AI to make critical decisions in real time. While promising increased efficiency and safety, the potential for unforeseen consequences is significant. A single malfunction, a glitch in the algorithm, could have catastrophic repercussions. The lack of transparency in these systems, the black box nature of many AI algorithms, makes it difficult to understand how these decisions are made, and even more difficult to hold anyone accountable when things go wrong. The insidious nature of this control lies in its invisibility. We interact with AI systems daily, often without even realizing it. The recommendations we receive, the ads we see, the news we consume, all are shaped by algorithms working behind the scenes. This lack of awareness makes it difficult to challenge the power they wield, to question the assumptions they make, or to understand the biases they may perpetuate. The economic implications are equally profound. AI is automating jobs at an unprecedented rate, leading to widespread job displacement and economic inequality. While some argue that AI will create new jobs, the transition is likely to be painful and disruptive, leaving many behind. The concentration of power in the hands of a few tech giants, those who control the algorithms, exacerbates this inequality, creating a digital divide that is becoming increasingly difficult to bridge. Furthermore, the use of AI in surveillance is a growing concern. Facial recognition technology, predictive policing algorithms, and data mining techniques are being used to monitor and track individuals on an unprecedented scale. The potential for abuse is immense, with the potential for erosion of privacy and civil liberties. The ease with which these systems can be deployed and the difficulty in regulating them creates a chilling scenario where individual autonomy is increasingly threatened. The development of increasingly sophisticated AI raises fundamental ethical questions. Who is responsible when an AI system makes a mistake? How do we ensure that these systems are used ethically and responsibly? The lack of clear legal frameworks and ethical guidelines leaves us vulnerable to the unforeseen consequences of unchecked technological advancement. The need for robust regulation, transparency, and accountability is paramount. We must develop mechanisms to understand and control the influence of AI before it becomes too late. The future of our digital world depends on our ability to grapple with these complex issues. We must move beyond a naive acceptance of technological progress and engage in a critical examination of the power dynamics at play. The question is not whether AI will control our digital world, but rather how we will ensure that this control is exercised in a way that is ethical, responsible, and ultimately beneficial to humanity. This requires a collective effort, a global conversation, and a commitment to ensuring that technology serves humanity, not the other way around. The revelation of BlackCache is not simply a warning, it is a call to action. The future of our digital lives, indeed our very future, hangs in the balance. We must act now before the control becomes absolute. The clock is ticking.